multiple pictures.
Bro, the beanie sitzt. Siehst fein as hell aus, man.
Okay, so we've been building this up, this whole process, this whole network in Portugal for the past 2 years. And that was difficult, but now we're doing this whole thing in China in basically 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I mean, we're launching in 3 weeks, so we got a shit ton to do. I mean, as they say, this is game time.
Yeah, I mean, essentially we've been prepping for a few weeks now with a few thousand pieces in production already. We need to make sure that everything goes well. We need to onboard all these factories, digitize literally the entire material library. In 2 weeks, every day is fully packed, fully loaded, more than 10 factories, 10 days. We go home, we launch a platform, we change the industry.
See you in China.
So what's up, guys? We're here with Chris, favorite Dutch guy in China, Humen Town, Dongguan area. This is like the epicenter of apparel production for China. So now we're in the CMT factory. So this is cut, make, trim, cotton sew products.
So this is basically the first step. The fabric arrives here, we are checking the quality, and after we have checked that, we send it out to wash all the fabrics. And so it shrinks.
Okay, so these fabrics are pre-shrunk now. They're resting here, ready to go for the cutting station. So here we have the cutting plan on the machine, fully digitized, and it runs accordingly, this auto cutter. You see how it's like 10 centimeters thick of a layer of fabric, and then it sucks the fabric flat down and it cuts the pattern accordingly to what is on the screen. Setup super nice because we have 4 cutting tables where you can prepare, and then you can move these machines on the tracks between each of the cutting tables, so efficiency. So each of the cut panels needs to be identified and put in the according right place. Each of the sizes, like size large, needs to be separated accordingly, sleeves, body panels. And then if there's like an embroidery on the front goes to the embroidery house. If there's a print on the sleeve goes to the print house, and so on.
I think now is a good time for you guys to tell me about the start of your bromance.
So let me say it like this. We were in Canton Fair.
Yeah.
And I really wanted to buy a coffee. On the way to the vending machine,
I recognized his face. It was so familiar, but these are these guys from Blackboard Studios. Because the content is so good, you know? It sticks in your mind.
and I thought like when I will see them, I will just show my appreciation about what you guys are doing. And I think I opened the conversation like this.
Then we came by the booth, product was awesome, people were awesome, and then yeah, I mean the week got intense. Like we got to see a lot of shit together. So, and we quit Canton Fair. It was like only the second day of Canton Fair. We were like, fuck that, let's go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Okay, so one person here in the sample room, from start to finish, they can make the whole garment by themselves. But I think like the sample is the most important part of production. If you have the sample right, you can have that piece to go into production.
Yeah, I mean for sampling you use just what is available in most cases, right? So you're saving a lot of time. So it's good to have some stock trims. The crazy thing about this factory is the pure diversity of product on the same production line, from like a football jersey to a puffer jacket to a women's top. Everything is run on the same production line. So the agility in between machines and the different skills that people have here, insane, purely.
The development of the past 30 years, it evolved into like a real powerhouse. In China, it literally works. The amount you pay for a product is the quality that you get. So like a t-shirt you can get for $5, but you can also get a t-shirt for $12.
But that China has their own machinery for all the processes, super strong, and it shows how mature the industry is, right?
Yeah.
Because you're not dependent on outside machines, and you're developing the knowledge as well. That's super nice.
I mean, up until now, most of the stuff that we do is based cut and sew. But now, what China enables us, outerwear, and we have a couple really cool options for jackets. This is a windbreaker. Here, this is a rain jacket.
Hood adjustment, little brim.
Just real technical. Classic workwear. Nice little acid wash or fade out wash, depending on who you ask. Then finally some dress shirts. We're moving up market.
Most comfortable hiking pant. This super lightweight, like a nylon.
And then of course we're finally delving into denim, double knee denim. We're gonna develop our own prototype for this. Then of course, jorts, some black wash denim. Really nice fit on these, they stack really nicely. And then last but not least,
The most hiking gorpcore like overshirt. Like a nylon, super lightweight nylon.
yeah, I mean all of this will be available on the OS.
Absolut, unter anderem. Nine, 15, bro.
Oh my god, today was rough. Today was an ambitious day, but we got most of it done. And we also got a nice tour of the factory. I mean, it's impressive, it's incredible. I mean, we've done this like a lot of tours in Portugal, but what really stands out here is like the variety of product that they fit into one, you know, production hub. Like you'll have them working on bikinis and a puffer jacket right next to it. Everything they need, like the whole variety of fabrics, trims, the machinery, it's all here.
Yeah, but for every product category, they have someone that is super experienced and highly skilled to actually execute this on a very, very high level.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, tomorrow, exciting because tomorrow we're going to
Zhongda fabric market. It's like an entire district dedicated to fabrics and trims, and you need to know your way around. You need to know the right locals, otherwise you just see the storefronts, honestly. I mean,
I guess we'll show them tomorrow.
yeah, you'll
Okay.
see tomorrow. Huh?
Also, let's try and get a good night of sleep. Good night.
So we're here, Zhongda district, right in front of the fabric market. So we have a very, very busy and intense day ahead of us. We're just driving across the street and it was like literally the busiest area you could imagine. Like literally 1,000 people on scooters and cars, pure insanity.
No taxi, no coat. Only 2 beers, then I go home.
Where's first stop?
First up, what was the name?
Only 2 beers, then I go home. No taxi, no coat. Only 2 beers, then I go home.
How many jackets did you touch?
100,
How many of the fabrics that we need to source do we have?
0.
No taxi, no coat for me. Only 2 beers, then I go home.
It's insane. Like if you look at this one, like with the pattern, or like, I mean this one, come on, or this one, like the textures. But I mean, then we suddenly stocked like 500 fabrics, so makes no sense.
Look at these details, like the color. It's insane.
Just to show off the fabric.
Yeah, just to showcase the fabric. This is stupid flex.
Lots of simple
Insides.
Yeah.
Yeah, morning already done, huh? Soon lunchtime. But now we have a meeting with the manager at Chufeng, one of the biggest fabric producer in the world. Everything is on dock, ready to go. They ship within 1 day, so you have it next day at your factory, which is like insane. Now we get into the fabric selection, see what they have, what new products they have, so that we get our jerseys, fleeces, French terries, football jerseys, everything sorted. Mint, it has a mint flavor, bro.
I think the best part is the archive. This archive is sorted by year, brand, and you see like the biggest brands from Stone Island, North Face, The Row, Prada. These are all just accessible for everybody. You can just come here, visit this place, and check out these pieces and get inspired by it.
Okay, so in China, it's really difficult to find monofiber, like 100% cotton. We managed to do it on the French terry, but the fleeces, I mean, you see here, 46 is polyester, and mainly there's a reason for it, because on the inside it's brushed, right?
Soft.
And for cotton, it loses the fibers, but polyesters you can stabilize, so it doesn't lose any fiber, and it's super warm. No, but I told them like, literally guys, bring me pretty much all the fabrics that have 100% cotton, from jerseys to fleeces to different French terries and so on. So now we work ourselves through option by option and figure it out. $2.95, you know? And we have here, these are the...
Okay, so it's all in Mandarin. The first time it's always cut and it's like a...
That's the easiest.
It's easiest. You said you learned it when you translated care labels?
Yeah, because like on the care labels you need to put like 6-7 languages, and obviously Mandarin being one of them, so I need to put it there for you guys. Yeah. So everyone knows about the world famous Zhongda fabric market, the 7 floors upstairs. Now we're going underground. That's where you find the trims, the buttons, zippers, labels, packaging, everything. Let's have a look. So most of these booths are actually from factories themselves. Just here they are kind of doing their distribution. It's like having a store for your factory, so you can present the goods that you manufacture. So what YKK is in Europe, kind of, or Japan, you have here SBS, and they're literally doing the exact same colors like YKK, just with their SBS branding.
They are more flexible. Lead times are faster. YKK just have their standard procedure. Lead times are often like 20 to 30 days. And you just wait in line. And with these brands, it's a different kind of working.
You can either spend 1 week visiting literally every booth and figure out whether the quality is good or not, or there are some curated places outside actually. They offer the exact same trims, just a curated version in a super fancy store. The price is double what you pay here, and the MOQ is way higher. You need to know your way around this place. You can get some super good deals.
What's the plan for tomorrow?
Tomorrow 9:30, the chauffeur picks us up. 35 minutes drive to the factory, then office, then lunch, then factory visit, and then the chauffeur brings us home. And then...
Are we going golfing tomorrow?
For dinner in the mushroom restaurant. We drove